Lily's teddy bear sneezed and exploded with rainbow confetti. ACHO, said the teddy. Like this or glitter will cover your screen. The narrator urged viewers, type bless you in comments and subscribe. Rainbow confetti filled the room, dazzling Lily and making her laugh out loud. Teddy donned a mischievous grin and wiggled its fluffy ears gleefully. A gentle breeze carried confetti around, painting the air with vibrant colors. Lily giggled as confetti cascaded like a colorful rain inside her cozy room. Every color of the rainbow danced, settling softly onto the floor and surfaces. The magical burst filled the space with joy, sparkling under the soft light. Teddy's antics turned the ordinary evening into a magical spectacle of colors. Friends and family gathered, captured by the charming glitter-filled surprise. Each floating confetti piece seemed to carry a tiny spark of happiness. It became a moment to cherish, filled with laughter and unexpected magic. The screen twinkled with colors, reflecting Lily's delighted smile and giggles. The invitation to comment and subscribe added to the fun atmosphere. Glitter swirled as stories of Teddy's sneeze spread through digital whispers.